Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock an Autocad drawing so others cannot edit it, fast and using an updated method. So let's get started. First, you're going to open your drawing file. Type Shared Views command and then click on the new shared view and then choose these options as check the box that says Share Modal View and All Layout Views right here. Also, check the boxes that says Create 2D Views Only and Share Object Properties. Now, after that, you're going to click on Share. After clicking on Share, it will load the views in Autodesk Viewer. After that, you're just going to copy and share. From the Autodesk Viewer, you're going to copy the link right here and then you're going to share this to anyone that you want to give an access to here as a viewer. So this will allow you to share your project as a viewer so that the person who will open the file will not be able to alter or edit the elements. And after that, that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.